How to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Facebook app and navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile, click on the three dots next to Add to Story. On this next menu, select Activity Log. Then next, tap on Manage Your Posts. Once you're here, this will show you all of the posts you've ever made on Facebook. You can tap on Filters, and then you can use the filters to sort by category. So you can put photos and videos, posts from other apps, or text updates. You can put a date range in, and you can put all of the people that you've shared the posts with. Once you've added your filters, come back, then tap on the All button under where it says Filters. This will select all of your posts, and then you can either choose to archive them or send them to trash. So if you want to delete them all, tap on Trash, and then all of these posts will now be deleted. And that's all it takes to delete all of your Facebook posts at once. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.